can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. Over the last 1 year, Bitcoin is up 84.2%, but the last 1 month has seen Bitcoin decline by 6.9%. In this video, we'll take a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. Right now, there's fear in the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are driven by fear. The news is getting bearish. Should we be expecting a big dump to gobbling town for Bitcoin? Is there a pathway that Bitcoin is going to crash again and go probably towards $85,000? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with news stories going around the Bitcoin world. Bitcoin leads first major weekly crypto ETF outflows of 2025 at $430 million. Bitcoin electronic traded products saw the largest outflow last week as BTC is highly sensitive to interest rate expectations. CoinShare James Butterfield said. And Saylor is at it again, planning to buy more Bitcoin. MicroStrategy Saylor is looking to raise another $2 billion via 0% convertible note to purchase more Bitcoin, potentially adding to the firm's 478,740 Bitcoin stash. If you take a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame, it's been a wonderful journey from Bitcoin from the bottom of the bear market. In November of 2022, we have seen Bitcoin rally to a new all-time highs of $109,000 in early 2025. The million-dollar question is, can we continue pumping to the moon? We saw a huge bearish divergence showing when Bitcoin was getting to new all-time highs. The RSI couldn't get back to where we were trading in March of 2024. In March of 2024, Bitcoin rallied to as high as $73,000. The RSI was showing that it was oversold then. The RSI was getting to the 88.73 level. But right now in 2025, we have seen Bitcoin get to a new all-time highs, reaching as high as $109,000. The RSI could barely pass the 68 level. And guys, that's not a good sign in the coming days and the coming weeks. We'll be expecting one final rally. That's what I believe. I believe we have one final rally in the market for altcoins to go kaboom before the big crash comes. The next support level for Bitcoin will be Bitcoin having a crash towards probably $73,000. I know how volatile crypto can be. That crash can happen very quickly. From where Bitcoin is currently trading at $95,000, a crash towards $23,000 will only take Bitcoin down 23%. Peradventure, Bitcoin continue going down by around 40 to 50%. We might see Bitcoin easily reach the $50,000 level. And guys, I know what you're saying. How will Bitcoin dump 50%? Our Bitcoin is matured. We have ETFs, yada. Guys, in 2021, we saw Bitcoin having one final rally, and that was in May. Before we entered June, Bitcoin was down 50%. And all this happened in about 14 days. In 2022, we saw Bitcoin rallying to $48,000. Everything was good. Everything was dandy. In the next 90 days, we saw Bitcoin giving us one awesome dump of more than 62%. So in the cryptocurrency market, there's always a dump around the corner. You have to be very watchful. You have to be very careful. You want to buy the dumps, you want to sell the pumps, but market participants don't want to ever agree when the time is over to sell the pumps because we always want more. We're human beings, and that's how we got this far, by wanting more. There have been a lot of signs that the bull market is over, but right now we're seeing glaring signs of Bitcoin failing to rally above $100,000. Bitcoin has been stuck in the same price point since the 18th of November 2024. Bitcoin has been going sideways for about 90 days. It's either Bitcoin is getting ready for one of the craziest pumps we have seen, or Bitcoin is getting ready for one big dump to gobbling town as market participants offload their shares at the bottom. You have to ask yourself this question, guys. As I'm buying Bitcoin right now around $95,000, maybe $100,000, who is selling to me? And why is that person selling to me? Am I smarter than that person? When did that person get in? These are questions you have to ask yourself before you get wrecked in the cryptocurrency market. And Bitcoin dominance is showing us some worrying signs. Bitcoin dominance tells us the percentage of the cryptocurrency market that is in Bitcoin, and right now it's around 61%. There's a lot of bearish divergence showing here. Also, we're seeing signs that Bitcoin dominance might be dumping, and the implication of Bitcoin dominance dumping, guys, means the altcoin market will have one final hurrah. In the past, when Bitcoin dominance gets to a high point and start dumping to gobbling town, that's when the altcoin market takes off. In 2021, we saw that leading to the epic alt season that most market participants remember. But if you go back till 2017. If you go back to 2014, we've always had alt season. We've always had period in time where Bitcoin dominance will just crash and you see capital flow into the altcoin markets. We saw that happen in 2017/2018. I won't be shocked if that ends the cycle. Usually that's how the cycle has ended. Why will this time be different? I don't think this time will be different, guys. Bitcoin dominance dump into gobbling town. It's not good. For Bitcoin, it means the altcoin market to start pumping Bitcoin, and right now market sentiment tells us market participants are more concerned with our altcoins than with Bitcoin. There's fear in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is trading almost at $100,000. That tells you the state of the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are very fearful for a price that 90 days ago they were very greedy for. They were greedy when Bitcoin first got to $95,000 in November of 2024. We see a lot of market participants predicting 120,000, 150,000, 200,000. But just 90 days of sideways price action is changing sentiment, and sentiment is changing very, very quickly as we're seeing very, very bearish tick appears in the market in the coming days and coming weeks. Is Bitcoin going to crash again? Bitcoin repeats test of $95,000 support, increase the chances of a liquidity grab below price range. I've seen talks of Bitcoin going down to $86,000. People are talking about Bitcoin even going down to $75,000. Bitcoin teases August 2023 breakdown as analysts eyes 85,000 price. Bitcoin price action lacks a trend, but if visit to $85,000 on the card if Bitcoin repeats its 2023 tricks. Guys, I prefer to look at the market from the perspective that we are in a big gigantic cycle, and that's why I like looking at the chart on a weekly time frame. You want to zoom out a bit, you want to ask yourself this $1 million question: who are the market participants buying Bitcoin at $15,000, and why in the hell has Bitcoin stopped around the $73,000? We stopped there for 6 months, and why are we stopping around the $90,000? You can tell yourself we're getting ready to continue pump to higher prices, but Bitcoin is already up more than 485% from the bottom, and at a cycle peak Bitcoin is up by more than 576%. I won't be shocked if the bull market is over. I don't think you will be shocked. A lot of indicators are already flashing. We're already seeing euphoria in the market. We saw euphoria in November. We saw altcoins pumping: XRP, HBAR, Algo, XLM, BNB, Solana. We have seen Bitcoin itself pumping. We have seen all the classic signs that the bull market will soon be coming to an end. But one thing I've come to know in the cryptocurrency market is market participants never believe. They always tell themselves this time is different. But sentiment in the market tells us this time is not different. There's only two emotions market participants are going to be driven by in the market. That is fear and that is greed. Everything is in between. But guys, it's not all bearish news on Bitcoin. There's still some bullish news. There's still some companies that are very bullish on Bitcoin. There's still market participants that believe we're going to the moon. Hong Kong investment firm shares surges 93% after buying just one Bitcoin. Hong Kong Asia Holding Limited has seen nearly double in a day. His shares has nearly doubled in a day after I shared that it has purchased a single Bitcoin. They're going the MicroStrategy way. Hopefully, good luck to them. Bitcoin dead cross piles up to spark $92,000 Bitcoin support retest. Right now, market participants are looking for one glimmer of hope, and we're seeing that in the way they are using leverage. Market participants are going excessively long in any dip they see. You want to buy the dip, you want to avoid leverage to buy the dip, because guys, if you're using leverage, you're going to get wiped out. Right now, when the market is driven by fear, there's going to be a lot of dumps, and those dumps will come without warning, and the rips are going to liquidate the bears, and that's what I'm waiting for, that one final pump to the moon. We're going to get one rip to maybe $100,000, maybe $105,000. In my own personal opinion, we're already in a bear market. Bitcoin has started its descent down to gobbling town. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you believe this is a reaccumulation going on over the last 90 days for Bitcoin? Or do you believe Bitcoin is topping right in front of us, starting a new bear market? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investments in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.